Hi everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. Today in this video we'll explain how to disable Microsoft Edge Windows 11 and explain how to stop it from running automatically on startup. Step 1. Go to the taskbar at the bottom of your screen and right-click on an empty area. The taskbar is where you access running apps and system options quickly. Step 2. From the menu that appears, click on Task Manager. Task Manager is a built-in Windows tool used to view running processes and system performance. Step 3. When the Task Manager opens, navigate to the Startup Apps tab located in the left-hand sidebar. This section shows all apps that start automatically with Windows, helping you control system speed and performance. Step 3. Find Microsoft Edge in the list of startup apps and check the status column next to it. Right-click on Microsoft Edge and choose Disable, which prevents it from launching automatically when your PC starts. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful Windows tips and tutorials.